YouTube, welcome back once again. This is another part of my entire Blu-ray collection. As promised, we're going to look through the 3D Blu-rays. Now to start with, just to do a quick overview. So way up on the top there are all the sort of documentary, sport, nature 3Ds. Then we come down and we've got animated stuff, and then a little bit more animated onto all the feature films, level and another level, rounding off at Z, and then we come down a little further and we've got DC and Marvel. That's it. So we'll move over to the table and we'll begin. So I'm not going to go too in depth into all of this because I fear this video is going to be really long to start with, and the way that I'm going to film this is in chunks. I'm going to pull a batch off the shelf, we'll go through them, they'll go back, I'll get the next lot, which means a lot of cutting, so I'm not going to be able to keep track of the time. So I'm just going to get straight into this. We're going to start as it is on the shelf with all the sort of documentary slash nature and sport, and then we'll go on from there. So first up, this is an IMAX action pack, contains 3 Blu-rays, but only 2 of them are in 3D. So we've got the Ultimate G, Zach's Flying Dream, and 3D, The Ultimate Wave Tahiti 3D. The third one in there, Adrenaline Rush, is not 3D. And that's literally the first one on the shelf because of the size. It's acting as a bookend because they're right on the top. There's nothing on each side to hold them in place. Next, Best of 3D. Polar Bears 3D, Ice Bear. Earth 3D. The Penguin King 3D, Lenticular Slip. 3D Mystic Mountains. 3D Magic Forest. Amazon 3D. Dive 3D Volume 1. There is a Volumes 2 and 3 which I did have at one point, and stupidly I sold them, and I've not managed to come across them since. There were at one point in the Poundland a lot, but not anymore. Everglades 3D. Galapagos 3D. Grand Canyon 3D. Jungle 3D. Some imaginative names. Medieval 3D. Patagonia 3D. Patagonia 3D. Okay, yeah, that's Volume 1 and that's Volume 2. Secrets of the Rainforest 3D. Shark Dive 3D. Wild Africa Volume 3. So these have gone back in their own order by the looks of it. Yeah, so we've got Volume 1, Volume 2 and Volume 3. Got some glare. Wildlife 3D. World National Heritage Costa Rica. World National Heritage Colombia. World National Heritage Panama. Dolphins and Whales Tribes of the Ocean 3D. Ocean Wonderland 3D. and C-Rex, Journey to a Prehistoric World 3D. Cane Toads 3D, The Conquest. Coral Fish, a 3D aquatic spectacular, Moods 3D. Take the 3D Journey. Festive Fireplace, a blazing 3D spectacular, another Moods 3D. The Universe in 3D, how the solar system was made. A Whole New Dimension, and 7 Wonders of the Solar System. The History of the World in 2 hours. The official 2010 FIFA World Cup film in 3D. Mummies, Secrets of the Pharaohs. And finally, for this batch, the other bookend, Fascination Coral Reef 3D film 3 film collection. Oh yeah, and that's nice of them to show us what the 3 films are. So we've got Fascination Coral Reef 3D, Fascination Coral Reef 3D Mysterious Worlds Underwater, and Fascination Coral Reef 3D Hunters and the Hunted. Awesome. So there we go. That's the first section out the way. Back with the next.